Hey everyone, and welcome back to Lingoni. My name is Haley, and today we're gonna make conditionals easy. Conditionals are sentences that describe a situation and its possible result. They're important in English because they help us talk about possible situations, things that will happen, or things that depend on certain conditions. We'll focus on when to use if, when, and unless. Let's get started. If. We use if to talk about something that may happen or is possible. It expresses uncertainty and describes a possible condition that can lead to a certain result. For example, if it rains, I will stay home. So in this sentence, rain is a possibility, so we use if to show that staying home depends on the rain. Or if I get a promotion, I'll buy a new car. Here, the promotion is not guaranteed, but if it happens, the result will be buying a new car. Let's look at another example. If you don't hurry, we'll miss the bus. Here, we are warning someone that not hurrying, a possible situation, could lead to missing the bus. When. We use when to talk about situations that we expect to happen or are very sure about. It's used when the event is certain, or at least very likely to happen. For example, when I get home, I'll call you. Here, we expect that getting home is certain, so we use when to show that calling will happen after. When the movie starts, please be quiet. This is something we expect to happen. The movie will start, and that will be the condition for everyone to be quiet. When I was a child, I loved playing outside. Notice how when is used to describe something that regularly happened in the past. Unless. Unless is used when you want to show something won't happen except if a certain condition is met. It's a way of saying if not. For example, I won't go to the party unless you invite me. This means that I will not go to the party, but if you invite me, I will. So the condition for going is the invitation. You won't pass the test unless you study. Here, the test result depends on studying. If you don't study, you won't pass. I won't eat lunch unless I finish my work. In this case, finishing work is a necessary condition for eating lunch. Let's see a few more examples, shall we? If I finish my homework early, I will go for a walk. Possible condition depends on finishing the homework. How about this one? When I finish my homework, I will go for a walk. This is something that will definitely happen after finishing homework. I won't go for a walk unless I finish my homework. The condition for going for a walk is finishing homework. So in summary, if is for a possibility. Use it when you're talking about things that may happen. When is for certainty. Use it when you expect something to happen. And unless shows what won't happen unless a certain condition occurs. So, next time you make a conditional sentence, think about whether it's a possibility, a certainty, or something that needs a specific condition to happen. This will help you choose between if, when, and unless. Here's another little helpful practice tip for you. To practice, try making your own conditional sentences with if, when, and unless. Write down your sentences and check if you are using them correctly. For example, think about your plans for the weekend. Like this: if I finish my homework, I will relax. Possible. When I finish my work, I'll relax. Certain. I won't relax unless I finish my work. Condition. Want to practice conditionals and other important grammar points? Well, check out Lingoni English, your one-stop app for improving your English skills. You can practice conditionals, idioms, and more with fun lessons, interactive exercises, and real-life examples. Plus, you'll get to work on your reading, listening, and pronunciation skills. So, head on over to lingoni.com and sign up for your free trial to unlock an extensive content library and start improving today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using conditionals in your conversations.